back to my channel. My name is Nancy if you're new here, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I did do a room transformation and I will be showing the process of that. I will be also giving you a room tour to show you everything that's in my room and as well as where I purchased it. So if you have any specific questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. I do want to give a really huge shout out to my brother that did help me with my room. You will be seeing him throughout the video, and he did help me a lot in my room, so I want to give him a big huge shout out. And without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with my favorite part of my room, which is my vanity. This is what it looks like. I did get this rug from Ross. I got my vanity chair from Burlington. I did get both of these from Amazon, as well as the lights that are going around. I did get this top of the table, sorry, of my vanity. I did get it at Home Depot. I just cut it at the measurement and then I painted it, as well as the mirror I got at Home Depot. So I kind of did a do-it-yourself vanity. I will be inserting pictures of how this looks in the back, how I connected the lights. And then all these acrylic organizers I did get at Ross, as well as the mirror, the roses, this little compartment. Also these, most of all of my vanity area is from Ross. And my vanity I do have in some, I have lashes, I have palettes in this one. I have my facial products here, as well as creams, lip scrubs. Here I have all my hair products. And then in the rest I do have bra and underwear, so I don't want to show that. This one I do have makeup, which is not organized, so I'm just not going to mess with that. Here I do have bathing suits. And then I do have all my sports bras in this one. And then I also have underwear in that one. My dresser that I have my TV on, I did get it passed on from my sister. It was actually a brown wood color, but I did go ahead and paint it white. And then I found these little diamond drawer holders, or whatever you want to call them. I got it at Walmart, and I believe it came with 2 a piece. So I did put those on there. And this, I do have my skirts and shorts. And this one I have all my sets. So I have my matching sweat sets, anything like that they're matching, I do put it in this one. Here I have all my bell-bottom pants, all my bell-bottom jeans for like jaripeos. All of that I do have them in here. In this one I have all my light jeans, so I have my white ones, light colored jeans will all be in here. My dark ones I don't really have that many, so I do have just my dark jeans here, and then I have like small tops or tops to be at home in here. And then all my curtains. So this one I got it at Walmart. These silver ones I did get on Amazon. And these gray ones, I believe I also got them at Walmart. And then I do have this little compartment to put, which I have clothes in. But I love that it matches my bed set, which I got so lucky when I found it. I got this at Ross. I believe it was about $50–60. This cajon that I got from Ross, I do have all of my pajamas. I have my pajama pants, my little workout bands. I do have all my t-shirts, any leggings to sleep, see what I have in there. My bed frame is from Rooms to Go. I did get most of my pillows all at Ross, but my bed set that comes with these matching pillows right here, I got at Walmart. I believe it's about $30–40, so it's a reasonable price and it's really cute. I love it. Then I got all 3 of these roses, which as you can tell, I have roses all over my room. I love roses. These roses I got from Hobby Lobby. I believe they're about $9–10 a piece, so they're not that bad. And then over here I have my mirror. that's me. But I have my mirror that I got from Ross as well. I believe I paid about $40 for it. It is pretty big. And then I do have my lights, my ring lights, which one is smaller than the other. I usually use them for taking pictures or even filming. I use both of these. I do have some color coordination going on in my closet. I have to be organized. So I did add all three. My previous picture of the before, it does have that I have 2 racks, which this before was like a little cabinet. You could put things on top, which I took off and added another rack just so I could have more room for clothes. And these little cute boxes I did get from Dollar General. They're super cute. You can put anything you want in them. I did just add this little glittery flower pot that I did get from Ross as well, I believe, if not TJ Maxx. I want to say maybe it was TJ Maxx that I got it from, but these little boxes are from Dollar General and they're super cute to put things in. My shoe racks I did get all from Home Depot. They weren't that much. If you do get them, I believe they're bookshelves, so if you do look them up as shoe racks or anything like that, they will be more pricey. I did get these as bookshelves and they work just as good. I just have my shoes on them and I love how they look in my room. They just make it pop out. I love it. And here I do have just my purses just hanging, and I did get this little diamond holder, which is from Ross. And then I did get this little cabinet from the dollar store as well. So do not think the dollar store doesn't have any cute things, because they really do. This little cabinet I got at dollar store for around $16. So sometimes the cute things are hidden, so y'all need to look because they're there. And this little cabinet I did get at Five and Below for $5. I do have just my hair products. I do have in this bag some hair rollers. Most of all my irons are in here. My straightener and my curling irons, they're in here. And then this I kind of did a DIY, did it myself. I did added these flowers from Dollar Tree, and then I went ahead and got this from Ross. And as well as this little clear thing, I believe I got it at a thrift store, I want to say, and I just added the flowers in there. I did get my in from Amazon, and it does light up. Let me show you guys. You see, it does light up, so I really, really, really like it. Let me turn this off. And then this chandelier lamp, I got it from Amazon. I love how good it looks. I believe with this candle holder, I think that's what it is, that I added the roses. It really matches my lamp, and then it does match the chandelier as well. I did get this chandelier at Home Depot as well. And as you can tell, I did add a glitter on my walls. I love how they look. I did get the glitter just from Walmart. I will be inserting a picture of what it looks like. That way, if anyone's interested, I did just add it on, as you'll see in the video. When I was painting, right when it was wet, I did add the glitter while it was wet. That way, I wouldn't mix it with the paint and it would get covered. And then my floor, I did get from Home Depot. It was tile. We put it piece by piece, as you'll see as well, that we added. It did combine really well with my room. That's why I wanted it to be a gray color. But yeah, guys, this is my room tour. Hey guys, so that was it for my room tour. I really hoped you liked it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.